The Envi plug-in electric panel wall heater is not trying to win attention. It doesn't glow, hum, or push air around like it's in a hurry. It simply mounts to the wall, stays quiet, and does its work with patience. This is heat for people who are tired of fighting cold spots instead of enjoying their homes. Designed as a low-wattage targeted heater, Envi works best where central heating falls short. Stairwells, basements, bedrooms, offices, and drafty exterior walls are where it quietly shines. Drawing only about 500 watts, it doesn't try to overpower a room. Instead, it supplements existing heat or gently replaces it over time. The result is steady comfort without the shock to the electric bill or the breaker panel. Multiple units can run at once without drama, making it especially appealing for larger homes or multi-room setups. Safety is where this heater earns trust quickly. The surface temperature stays around 90 degrees Fahrenheit, cool enough to touch without panic. There's a wall-sense safety sensor that cuts power immediately if the unit is removed from the wall. With no fan, no exposed heating element, and no moving parts, it's comfortable to run day and night in homes with kids, pets, or elderly family members. Dust isn't blown into the air, humidity stays more balanced, and allergy sufferers often notice the difference. It feels less like a machine and more like a calm presence in the room. The heating method is fanless convection, branded as stack convection, which simply means warm air rises naturally from the top vent while cooler air is pulled in from below. Heat drifts upward instead of being forced, and silence comes with it. Truly silent. No clicks, no whirring, no startup roar. Even at night, the heater stays out of the way. The power indicator light automatically dims in dark rooms. A small touch that shows real thought went into how this heater lives with people, not just around them. Installation is refreshingly simple. No contractor, no drilling marathons, no measuring headaches. The packaging doubles as a wall template, making alignment almost foolproof. Mounting clips go into drywall easily, and the heater hangs flush and level in minutes. Excess power cord tucks neatly into the back, leaving no awkward loops or dangling wires. A right-angle plug keeps everything close to the wall, and for those who prefer a cleaner look, punch-outs allow for direct wiring. It's one of those rare products that actually installs as fast as advertised. Performance depends on understanding what this heater is and what it isn't. This is not a blast furnace. It won't take an ice-cold room and make it cozy in 10 minutes. What it will do is maintain warmth beautifully once it gets there. Bedrooms stay comfortable overnight without running a full HVAC system. Basements climb from uncomfortable to livable. Cold stairwells stop leaking chill into the rest of the house. In many cases, central furnaces run less often, which quietly shifts energy costs instead of inflating them. Because of its low wattage, Envi rewards planning. Leaving it on, using a thermostat, or pairing it with a smart plug transforms it into a set-and-forget solution. Turn it on early, let it work slowly, and the payoff is consistent comfort with almost no noise or maintenance. There may be a mild manufacturing smell during the first long run, but following the instructions clears it completely. The Envi plug-in electric panel wall heater looks like it belongs on the wall. Slim, understated, and modern, it doesn't need to be hidden behind furniture or explained to guests. It simply does what it promises, quietly, safely, reliably. This is not heat for people in a rush. It's heat for people who value calm, efficiency, and a room that finally feels right.